Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for spending time with me. Happy Friday, long day, long week. Cocktail hour. Bourbon, honey, fresh squeezed lemon juice. We're gonna make our honey syrup. The reason why you don't want to use straight up honey is when honey hits ice, it hardens. We're gonna mix equal parts warm water, equal parts honey, and we're making a honey syrup. So honey syrup, fresh lemon, bourbon, shaker. Let us make a gold rush. Equal parts warm water. It's about a quarter of an ounce. Honey. Once it cooperates, there we go. Get that in there. Should be about a quarter ounce each. I'm gonna mix this up. Folks, there we have our honey syrup. All right, get your highball glass, cocktail ice in there. We're gonna do 2 ounces of bourbon. That's gonna go into our shaker. I should do it. We're gonna do a 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. There we go. And we're gonna do a 1/4 cup of our honey syrup we just made. 1/2 pot warm water, 1/2 pot honey. That should do it. That goes in there. Some ice. And we are gonna give this a good, always a good 15-second shake. It's nice and frosty. Got my highball glass with my cocktail ice in there. It was fun. Lock those muscles, get your frustrations out of the week. Happy Friday. I should do it. Friday night cocktails. Strain that in there. And again, guys, we are making a gold rush. My equipment leaks. We are gonna garnish it with lemon twist. Gold rush. Oh, that's good. I like bourbon. Honey gives another kick to it. Fresh lemon juice, always. Happy Friday. Enjoy your weekend, folks. Like, subscribe, share. Gold rush. Cheers.